Preparation of bread using a composite flour, sweet potato flour, cassava flour. Done in collaboration with the University of Guyana, UGIRIE, and Banks DIH. In the preparation of bread using a composite flour, it is a three-step process. First, preparation of the composite flour, preparation of ingredients required for the baking, and the baking. In the preparation of the composite flour, you will need to purchase or source sweet potato and cassava tubers from a single farmer to ensure a single variety is used from a single crop. Once collected, tubers are washed thoroughly and peeled in the case of the cassava. Tubers are then chipped into small pieces of 0.5 to 1 inch square. The chipped pieces are then shredded using a shredder and spread thinly over a wired mesh table to sun dry for 4 hours. The sun-dried pieces are then placed into a kiln solar dryer for an additional 24 hours to further deplete its moisture content. The dried pieces are then ground using a hammer mill into a fine grain flour before packaging and stored in a cool, dry place at 7 degrees Celsius. After preparing flour, other ingredients must be accumulated. Wheat flour can be purchased from a local supplier or ensuring all are from the single production batch. Other standard ingredients can also be purchased from local suppliers. These ingredients include margarine, salt, sugar, yeast, and shortening. Preservatives can also be used as an additive. Warm distilled water is also used to speed up the reaction of the yeast. The baking of the composite bread. Each treatment containing varying percentage of cassava and sweet potato flour should be carefully weighed using a gram scale and mixed with its respective quantity of complement wheat flour. Standard ingredients should also be weighed, being of the same quantity for each individual treatment, and packaged and separated for addition into the mixer as per treatment. During the mixing procedure, the composite flour is firstly added to the mixing bowl, followed by the salt, sugar, yeast, and the preservative. These contents are mixed for 1 minute before the addition of shortening and margarine. While mixing, water is gradually added as the dough's elasticity is periodically examined for excellent rheology and transparency. The mixing time for each treatment fall within the range of 4 to 7 minutes, depending on the high inclusion rates of sweet potato or cassava flour. After mixing, the dough is briefly kneaded and shaped into a ball and placed on a table to proof. Once all treatments are mixed and table proof, the dough is then uniformly shaped and panned. They are transported to an automated proofer and proofed for 2 hours at 38 degrees Celsius and 76% humidity. After bread is proofed to 3/4 the height of the pan, placed into an automated rotating oven and baked for 20 minutes. After baking, bread is allowed to air cool at room temperature before packaging for transport. And there you have it, a bread made from locally homegrown tubers, meeting and exceeding most evaluated values when compared to the standard wheat bread found commonly on the markets, both economically and nutritionally beneficial. So let's join in supporting our own by growing our own and eating our own by 2025. Thank you.